I recently bought the Athena Lady Jane Drill. This is designed by NataLee Callahan from Design to the Nines. And trust me, NataLee has thought of everything, packaging included, and she has designed this tool to the nines. An extra little gift in here is a bracelet that looks just like my grandma bracelet. I absolutely love it, and they'll look great together. Look at this packaging. I just love the case with the cheetah print, and then you open it up and there's this beautiful drill with the cheetah handle and also this glittery blue case. But that's not really what's important here. It's the power. And this drill is not going to disappoint. It comes with the battery and the charger and some drill bits as well. This is not the first drill I've ever had, but this is the one I'm most excited about. Mainly because it's powerful. And as NataLee says, you're more powerful than you know.